Did you know that by adding just one bird feeder to your garden, you can increase the number of bird species visiting your yard by up to 50%? In this video, we'll show you how to attract birds to your garden and create a thriving ecosystem that will bring joy and beauty to your outdoor space. Provide the right food. When it comes to attracting birds to your garden, providing the right food is essential. Different bird species have different dietary needs, so it's a good idea to offer a variety of food sources. For example, hummingbirds are attracted to nectar-rich flowers like trumpet vines and bee balm, while finches prefer seeds like sunflower seeds and Niger seeds. Consider using a combination of bird feeders, such as tube feeders, hopper feeders, and platform feeders, to offer a range of food options. Install a bird-friendly water feature. Birds need water for drinking and bathing, so installing a bird-friendly water feature is a great way to attract them to your garden. Consider adding a bird bath or a small pond with fresh water and a few rocks or twigs for perching. You can also add a mister or a dripper to create a soothing sound that will attract birds. For example, the American robin is known to be attracted to the sound of running water, so a small fountain or waterfall can be a great addition to your garden. Plant native vegetation. Planting native vegetation is another great way to attract birds to your garden. Native plants provide berries, seeds, and nectar that birds love, and they also provide shelter and habitat for nesting and roosting. For example, the northern cardinal is attracted to dogwood trees, which produce red berries that are a favorite food source. Consider planting a mix of native trees, shrubs, and flowers to create a diverse and welcoming environment for birds. Create a bird-friendly habitat. Creating a bird-friendly habitat is all about providing the right combination of food, water, shelter, and nesting sites. Consider adding a few native trees or shrubs to provide perching and nesting sites, and leave some areas of your garden unmanicured to provide habitat for ground-dwelling birds like sparrows and wrens. You can also add a few birdhouses or nesting boxes to provide a safe place for birds to raise their young. Maintain a bird-friendly garden. Finally, maintaining a bird-friendly garden is all about creating a safe and welcoming environment for birds. Avoid using pesticides, which can harm birds and other wildlife, and keep your cat indoors to prevent them from hunting birds. Consider adding a few bird-friendly features like a rock pile or a brush pile to provide habitat for birds, and keep your bird feeders and bird baths clean and well-maintained to prevent the spread of disease. Thanks for watching. If you want to learn more about attracting birds to your garden, be sure to subscribe to our channel for daily bird watching content. And don't forget to check out our recommended resource at https://amzn.to/birdwatching for all your bird watching needs.